Hello all, welcome back to Harsha Trainings. I am Keshav, full stack development trainer at Harsha Trainings. Day before yesterday, we have started a new batch for full stack development training. In that session, we discussed what is full stack development and why we have to learn full stack development. After that, in yesterday's session, we have seen the features of our full stack development program and product development lifecycle at IT company we have seen, and also the role of developer in that. Also, we have discussed different activities carried by full stack developer on daily basis we have discussed. In today's session, we have seen the exclusive information about all the 7 projects we do in our course. That is, what are the technologies we use for each project and what is the output of those projects we have extensively discussed. I hope you guys enjoyed today's session, and if you guys have missed any of the sessions, don't worry guys, all the sessions have been recorded. You can call to the number displayed on this video and you can get those recording sessions. You can go through it. So try not to miss the sessions guys, try to be regular. This is a very good opportunity for students from different backgrounds, and also for the people whoever is having gap in their careers, and also for the people whoever working in the industry but on non-development roles. All the very best guys.